Next up is the triple waltz clog. So you learn the single that starts with a step, the double that starts with a flap. The triple is going to start with a shuffle step because a shuffle step makes 3 sounds. So it is sometimes referred to as a triple. So your triple waltz clog will start with a shuffle step.
So you've got your single, you've got your double. Next up is going to be the triple. And for the triple, we are taking out what was a step in the single and a flap in the double, and we are going to make that a shuffle step. 1, 2, 3, 3 sounds, triple. There you go. So you're going to do, let's go slowly, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, and go 1 and 2 and 3, and go 1 and 2 and 3. So I want to point out that first shuffle step has to be noticeably faster than the second one, than the shuffle ball change. Shuffle step, shuffle ball change, shuffle step, shuffle, and go 1 and 2 and 3, and go 1 and 2 and 3. And it is really, really important on this one especially that you stay on your toes. Do not let your heels hit the floor. Let's walk through these triples again. So you've got shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. And go 1 and 2 and 3, and go 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so that is your triple waltz clog. Shuffle step,